How to remove blackheads naturally. The ultimate guide. Introduction. Hi everyone. Today, we're talking about a common yet frustrating skincare issue: blackheads. These tiny black spots can be stubborn, but don't worry, I'm here to share the best natural remedies to help you get rid of them effectively. Stick around till the end for bonus tips on preventing blackheads from coming back. What are blackheads? Blackheads are small, dark skin bumps that commonly appear on the nose, chin, and sometimes even on the back. They occur when excess oil sebum and dead skin cells clog the pores. Unlike whiteheads, blackheads are exposed to air, which oxidizes the trapped oil and turns it black. Common causes of blackheads. Blackheads can form due to several reasons, including excess oil production. Overactive sebaceous glands lead to clogged pores. Hormonal changes, fluctuations during puberty, menstruation, or pregnancy can trigger blackheads. Unclean skin. Not cleansing properly allows oil and dirt to build up. Stress. High stress levels can increase oil production. Diet and lifestyle. Smoking, alcohol, excessive caffeine, and an unhealthy diet can contribute to blackhead formation. Now, let's dive into natural and effective remedies to remove blackheads safely at home. 1. Tomato remedy for blackheads. Tomatoes have natural antibacterial properties that help dry up blackheads and remove excess oil. How to use? Take a ripe tomato, peel it, and mash it into a paste. Apply it directly to the blackhead-prone areas before bedtime. Leave it overnight and rinse with warm water in the morning. 2. Lemon and salt scrub. Citric acid helps dissolve impurities, while salt acts as a natural exfoliator. How to use? Squeeze fresh lemon juice into a bowl and add a pinch of salt. Mix well and apply it to blackheads. Leave for 15–20 minutes before rinsing with warm water. 3. Toothpaste trick for blackheads. Toothpaste contains antibacterial agents that can help dry out blackheads. How to use? Apply a thin layer of toothpaste to affected areas. Leave it on for 20–25 minutes and rinse with warm water. Repeat this process daily for 2 weeks for visible results. 4. Honey massage for blackhead. Honey has antiseptic properties that help cleanse pores and remove dirt. How to use? Warm up a small amount of honey and massage it onto the blackhead-prone areas. Leave for 15 minutes before rinsing with warm water. 5. Baking soda mask. Baking soda acts as a gentle exfoliator that helps clear clogged pores. How to use? Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with enough water to form a paste. Apply the paste to the affected areas and leave it on for 10 minutes. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. 6. Oatmeal and yogurt pack. Oatmeal helps exfoliate, while yogurt soothes and tightens pores. How to use? Mix 2 tablespoons of oatmeal with 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Apply this paste to the face and leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing. 7. Egg white mask for blackheads. Egg whites help tighten pores and reduce oil production. How to use? Beat 1 to 2 egg whites and mix with 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply a thin layer over blackheads and leave it for 30 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. 8. Cinnamon and lemon pack. Cinnamon improves blood circulation, while lemon's acidity helps unclog pores. How to use? Mix equal parts cinnamon powder and lemon juice to create a paste. Apply to the affected areas and leave overnight. Rinse with warm water in the morning. Bonus tips to prevent blackheads. Wash your face twice daily. Use a gentle cleanser to remove oil and dirt buildup. Exfoliate regularly. Use a mild exfoliator 2 to 3 times a week to keep pores clean. Avoid heavy makeup. Choose non-comedogenic products to prevent clogged pores. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to flush out toxins. Follow a balanced diet. Reduce sugary and fried foods that can trigger excess oil production. Conclusion: blackheads can be frustrating, but with these natural remedies, you can say goodbye to them for good. Which remedy are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing skincare tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.